Welcome to Lok Satta Yashasvi Bhava. We are going to discuss which HOTS can be asked on science and technology. Here we are going to observe physics, and in these physics chapters what questions can be asked. There are 4 chapters in physics. The electric spark, all about electromagnetism, wonders of light part 1 and wonders of light part 2. The marks given for these lessons: for electric sparks, the marks kept are 6 and with option marks are 8. All about electromagnetism, for this lesson marks kept are 4 and with option there are 5 marks. Wonders of light part 1, for this lesson marks kept are 6 and with option marks are 8. And wonders of light part 2, marks kept are 4 and with option there are 5 marks. So we can see the chapters carrying more marks. HOTS can be asked of more marks. So 5 marks question can be asked from the lesson electric spark and from the lesson wonders of light part 1. So let us see. Here, explain the heating effect of electric current and its applications in day-to-day life. In our book, it is given what is heating effect and how it is applicable to our day-to-day life. We can see page number 43. Here heating effect is given and applications of heating effect. There are many applications. You can draw diagrams and you can show what are its uses. Here bulb is shown, electric bulb is shown, electric iron, all the description is given. So you have to write it, and you have to write it in proper language. While giving applications of heating effect, here electric bulb is shown and it is shown how it is used in electric bulb. Here examples based on electric oven, electric iron are given. So you can utilize this and you can write it very well. So we have to use our textbook and we have to write it by our own. On the same page it is given, Joule's law is stated, it states as, and derivation of the formula is given below that. So we can use that and we can write it in proper way. Now questions for all about electromagnetism can be asked like, what are magnetic lines of force? What are their properties? The question can be asked for 4 marks. Now here other question can be given as, complete the following table. Action on compass needle. Name of bar. It is written as a glass bar is placed near the compass. So what action can be seen near North Pole and near South Pole? When glass bar is taken closer to compass needle, no action is seen at North Pole as well as at South Pole. But when an iron bar is taken near compass needle, it is attracted towards North Pole as well as South Pole. On the same time, at the same time, we can see the actions when South Pole and North Pole of a bar magnet is taken near the compass, and we have to write the actions. We can see a bar magnet is placed and North Pole and South Poles are shown. When it is cut into 2 parts, again we can see North South Pole and North South Pole exist on these bar magnets. When it is cut again, so we can see again we can get North Pole and South Pole for each piece of the magnet. So we can give answer on basis of this diagram, and we can show why it is not possible to isolate the North Pole and South Pole of a magnet. Here a question can be asked, what is earthing? Why it is used? What are uses of earthing? Questions can be asked. Answer we can get from our textbook. It is explained in our lesson also. Now let us see wonders of light part 1. Here, explain the problems of vision and the remedies with the help of diagrams. We have to give diagram for each defect of vision and how we can rectify the diagram. It is shown in our textbook. There are 3 various diagrams for each defects are given. Diagrams are given in our textbook. 3 diagrams are given for each defect. and how we can give remedy for it. It is shown with the help of diagram. You can see the diagram and you can draw these diagrams. Explain the structure of human eye and functioning of lens with the help of suitable diagram. In our textbook on page number 73, it is shown. Structure of human eye is given and functioning of lens is shown with the help of diagram. So you can draw these diagrams and you can write the proper answer. Again, other question can be asked. Describe the position, nature and relative size of the image formed by convex lens for various positions of object. Here we have to first write position of object, where it is, on F1, on F2, between F1 and F2, and then we have to write about the nature, position and size of the image. So with the help of diagrams you can show this, or by drawing a chart you can give all the information. You have to prepare all these answers with the help of textbook. Now for Wonders of Light Part 2. There are 3 processes in this lesson, for which we can see one diagram is drawn here. Here a metallic vessel is placed and a coin is placed inside it. Friends, there are so many questions given in our article. Lok Satta Yashasvi Bhava. You can see them. You have to read your book carefully. You have to summarize all the principles, all the laws, all the concepts which are given in your textbook. So keep it, preserve it in your mind and use it whenever it is required. All the best for your exams.